Hi friends! Okay, we're doing a wellness tip today, even though it's Thursday. And basically, I just want to give you the easiest tip possible for when it comes to like health and wellness, and that is antioxidants. And you've probably heard that word before and thought like, "Woo, yay, big whoop!" Like, what is the what is the big deal about antioxidants? Because it's a fancy word, but if you don't know what it means, then it doesn't mean anything to you, right? So basically, I'm gonna break it down for you because it's actually not as simple. Like, it is really simple, but it's not super simple. So, in our environment, and so inside our body and outside our body, we come across these things called free radicals. And so exogenous means outside the body, outside sources are like pollutants, heavy metals, cigarettes, alcohol, any sort of like environmental, like if you live in a city and there's lots of vehicles or factory stuff in the air pollutants basically. That's exogenous, outside sources of free radicals. Endogenous means inside the body. Our body uses free radicals and makes them as well with like basically when you get sick, so any sort of like infection or any inflammation inside your body happening from like a wound or just inside inflammation, aging causes it, stress causes it, causes these free radicals in your body. So we get them like inside and outside the body. Now, free radicals themselves aren't a bad thing. It's when the body gets out of balance. So a little bit of free radicals is okay. It's not going to hurt you. Actually, some processes in your body need free radicals to function. But just like anything in your body, when it becomes out of balance, you get what's called oxidative stress. Too many free radicals in your body causes oxidative stress, and with that comes a breakdown of a lot of systems in your body, like neurological, respiratory, cardiovascular. So your nerves, like your lungs, your heart, like just a lot of bad things that cause your body systems to go out of balance, and then creates basically cascading effect of all sorts of just bad things in your body that you don't want. It can increase aging. It can bring on aging faster. It can bring on the things that come along with aging that we like are all scared of. So with anything, this is what I love about like natural health and wellness and anything about the human body, is that everything is just a balance. Your body is always trying to keep homeostasis, this balance, right? But anytime that balance gets out of whack is when things in your body start to go wrong and break down. So anything we can do to help the body maintain that balance that it's always striving for, really good. Which is where antioxidants come in. So antioxidants find the free radicals in your body, get rid of them. So that's really good if you live in an area that's high pollutant area, like large cities, or if you work in a factory, or just anything where you're going to be coming across, you have a really stressful life or stage in your life, or are sick a lot. Like those kind of things are going to put your body out of balance. So you want to consume antioxidants to help offset that balance of free radicals in your body. Okay, so hopefully you're tracking with me here, making sense. So antioxidants can help like slow down those side effects of aging. They're really good for your skin, really good for your health in general. So we want to consume lots of antioxidants. And the best sources of antioxidants are fruit. So lots and lots of berries, grapes, things like that. Think like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, grapes, cherries. Green tea and like matcha tea is really high in antioxidants, which is so good for you. It's going to bring down that inflammation. And then Ningxia Red is another thing that I consume every day. I give it to my whole family. This is wolfberries. So Wolfberry is another name for goji berries. And like I said, berries are a really high source of antioxidants. So this is a macronutrient, which makes it really easy for your body to digest. They use the whole like plant, seed, skin, everything. It's a macronutrient. It's not a micronutrient. So micronutrient, think of like supplements where it's just vitamin C. Whereas like an orange is a macronutrient. It's the whole fruit. You get like the vitamin C and everything else that like comes with the like in that orange, right? So the wolfberry that they use for Ningxia Red is a macronutrient. They use the whole fruit, so it's more like it's not a puree, but it's like that's kind of what it is. It's like a whole food source, which anytime you're wanting to consume any sort of supplemental, like I'm not against supplements at all, but I think whole food sources are always better than, like if you can do that, that's always going to be better for your body and easier for it to consume and digest and actually break down the nutrients and use it than it is in a supplemental form. So if you can, whole food source, always better. And the reason Ningxia Red is awesome is because 1 ounce of this stuff is packed full of antioxidants. 1 ounce is equivalent to 4 pounds of carrots or 8 oranges. 1 ounce of this. So this lasts a really long time because I can feed my kids and my husband and myself like 2 ounces a day. It lasts a really long time, and I know that we're getting a ton of antioxidants. It's super delicious because it's also got other fruit sources in it. And I know that even if it's been just one of those days where I can't get my kids to eat a single vegetable, they will drink Ningxia. And so I know that they're getting some antioxidants into their body and a lot of other good stuff that comes with it. So that's all I want to leave you with today. Remind you to consume your antioxidants every single day, keep your body in balance, and that'll help with like inflammation, brain fog, exhaustion. If you're constantly feeling those things, your body could be just under a lot of inflammation. It could be fighting something. You could be starting the process of like some oxidative stress. So I'm not a doctor, but so always check with your doctor. But think about upping your source of antioxidants. I know we're all busy, and especially in Canada in the winter, it is really, really difficult to get those natural food sources of like berries and fruit because it's more expensive and we're so limited. I know in the winter it's like apples and oranges, like maybe some bananas. So I understand how difficult it can be, and we're coming out of those months now into summer. Yay! But maybe if you think back of like, no, I haven't been consuming as many like berries and grapes and things like that. Consider upping your antioxidants, your fruits, and let me know what you think. If you have any questions about this, definitely feel free to message me. All right? Have an awesome day. See you later.